How's everybody doing today? Keto family, MatTroise here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto chocolate chip ice cream in a mason jar. I'm gonna show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make this keto ice cream with only one net carb and only a few ingredients. And as always, check the description of this video. I'll have the recipe in there with the directions, along with Amazon links for you to get any ingredients you may need in order to make this recipe. All right, so let me show you how to make this right now. All right, we're gonna start off with 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of granulated erythritol, 1 tablespoon of Hershey's extra dark, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon worth of broken up dark chocolate pieces. All right, we're gonna put it all into a mason jar here. All right, so let's seal up the mason jar. You can also add 10 drops of liquid stevia if you'd like, and a little pinch of salt. Seal it tight, and now all we're going to do is shake it up. All right, it's been mixed thoroughly. Now we're going to put this into the freezer for approximately 3 to 4 hours. All right, it's been 3 hours. I've been waiting patiently, and I can't wait to try this ice cream. Let's take a look. Wow, look at that ice cream. Looks amazing. Smells incredible. Now for a taste test. Look at that ice cream. It's so creamy. That is so good. This tastes incredible. Absolutely amazing. This is delicious. This tastes just as good, if not better, than Rebel ice cream. And I'm a huge Rebel fan, but I gotta tell you, I might not have to go get Rebel anymore if I have this. This is incredible. It tastes almost identical to it. It tastes delicious. Man, this is delicious. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely delicious. This has 1 net carb for the whole container here, but it is very calorically dense. This is about 1,000 calories, just so you know, but it's well worth it. What an amazing keto ice cream. Probably one of my favorite ice creams I've had since starting my ketogenic journey. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 recipes I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. MatTroise signing out.